HONK! HONK!
Stand by. Camera rolling. Mark it. Action.
So, Ida, tell us your story.
Well, my most recent brood. Lovely bunch of kids.
They're the loveliest little ducklings I've ever set my eyes on.
Line up, everybody.
Whack. 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 Whack.
Well, there was just one little problem.
HONK!
I think it puts out the wrong message.
It put my husband in a right paddle.
I'm sure he's not mine. I hope the cat gets him.
HONK!
I think he looks delicious.
He went off with the cat.
The missus went to look for him, and I had to look after the kids.
We found the little chap on the marshes. We tried to fly to the farm to find his mother. Didn't we, dear?
Yes, well, the less said about that, the better.
He came into our home and left mud prints on the carpet.
A dreadful little creature, most common if you ask me. We saw him heading towards the pond.
Where the slime creatures live.
He was having some trouble with his self-image, so I told him that he could one day be as good-looking as me.
HONK! HONK!